Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, October 17, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm fine, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting. You?
I'm okay. Busy week, right? This coffee helps a lot. Did you see the news about the stock market drop?
Yes, I did. The Dow fell 500 points. It happened fast after the president's talk on China tariffs.
Yeah, crazy stuff. He threatened new tariffs on Chinese goods, 100% on all imports starting November 1. That scares businesses like ours. Sales might go down if prices rise too much.
True. It escalates the trade fight between the US and China. Experts say it hurts everyone in the end. What do you think for our sales team?
It means more work for me. Customers call and ask about prices now. I have to explain everything. Not fun at all. Remember last year when tariffs hit? Our orders dropped 20%.
I remember, as project manager, I worry about supply costs. Our projects use parts from China. Like electronics and tools, it changes all our plans. We might need new suppliers.
Right. And the market lost $1.5 trillion in value. That's huge. Investors are nervous. Our company stock went down 2% yesterday. Did you check?
I did. It's not good. But maybe it pushes companies to buy local. That could help some jobs here. What about your deals? Any clients canceling?
Not yet, but two asked for quotes again. They say costs are up. I tell them we work on it. Coffee break like this helps me think.
It does. Pass the milk, please. Anyway, the tariffs target rare earths too. China controls those for tech. Our computers and phones use them.
Oh yeah, without them, prices skyrocket. Imagine no cheap gadgets. My phone is from China. What now?
Exactly. Governments talk, but it takes time. For now, we watch the news daily. It affects our budget meetings.
True. Boss asked me about it yesterday. I said sales might slow. He nodded. Let's hope it calms down soon. This coffee is strong today.
It is. Hey, did you hear about Elon Musk and his new party idea?
Oh yeah, that one. Musk wants to start a political party. The guy from Tesla and SpaceX, he announced it on X last week.
Exactly. He said it's time for tech leaders to lead. People in tech are talking a lot. Some like it, some think it's weird.
Musk in politics. He already influences so much with his companies. Now this, it could mix tech and government more. Imagine laws for electric cars from him.
Yes, it's controversial. Tech leaders should stay out of politics or help fix things. I think it raises questions about power. Who decides?
Power, sure. Musk has billions. His party might push for space travel funds or AI rules. Good or bad for business? I sell Tesla parts sometimes.
For projects, it might affect regulations on AI or electric cars. We use that tech in our office tools. Need to watch it closely. What do you think he wants?
Probably less rules for his rockets. Or more tax breaks. He's smart, but politics is messy. Remember his tweets? They move markets.
They do. This announcement made Tesla stock jump 3%. Investors like bold moves. But for society, is it okay? One man with so much say?
Maybe not, but exciting. Our team chats about it in lunch. Some say vote for him. Others laugh. You?
I think tech needs voices, but careful. It changes how we see leaders. Anyway, my coffee is getting cold.
Mine too. Oh, and the housing problem in Europe. Did you read that?
The one about the emergency? UN and city leaders say it's bad across Europe. Published in UN News this week.
Yes. Many people face high rents and no homes. Tens of thousands affected in cities like London and Paris. They call for new policies now.
Right. Rent's up 15% in 1 year. Young workers can't afford. Governments must build more houses.
Sad. In our office we talk about rent too, but in Europe it's worse. Families move out of cities. Jobs suffer.
It shows society issues. Work-life balance suffers if you worry about home. Impacts productivity for everyone. Companies lose good people.
Yeah. If employees stress about housing, meetings go bad. We are lucky here, our rent is okay. But imagine commuting 2 hours daily.
I know, the UN warns of a crisis. Leaders in Brussels talk plans, but slow. Maybe tax breaks for builders. What do you think helps?
More affordable homes. Or help for first buyers. In sales, I see clients buy houses. Prices high everywhere now.
True. As project manager, I plan team events. But if staff worries about rent, focus drops. Global news like this affects us all.
For sure. Europe sets example. If they fix it, we learn. Our company has offices there, impacts our teams.
Yes, the report says 20 million need help. Shocking, we should discuss in next meeting.
Good idea, pass the stirra. This chat makes morning better. News is heavy, but talking helps.
It does, you're always up on it. I read the Washington Post version too, same story.
Yeah, they cover it well. Okay, my cup is empty. Time to start calls.
Mine too. See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. Don't work too hard. Talk tomorrow.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.